Hello everyone, Andrew here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be talking about another traffic exchange site which is quite new, not older than 3 months. Before we get into that, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that like button, also that notification bell in order not to miss the future videos. Alright, so with that said, let's jump to the dashboard of my account. The site we're gonna talk about today is called Easy2Hit, and it's a traffic exchange site. This is the home page of my account, which will look the same for you as well. And by the way, this site is free to join 100%. I'm gonna leave my referral link in the description of this video. You just click on it and you sign up for free. Now, this is the dashboard, and here you can find some general information about all the contests that are active currently. Here is the message center, some general information about who won the contest and some other info as well. These are the payment processors that Easy2Hit uses, such as cryptocurrency, also PayPal. And here are some statistics for your account. Your actual current credits, banner impressions, etc., advertising good, as well as your account balance. And here are the earning stats. This is the admin and also the owner and co-founder of Easy2Hit. Some general stats. Now, as you can read here, for every 95 websites served, click the link that appears in the serve bar and you will earn $0.01. Alright, so every 95 pages that you serve, you will earn $0.01, and the minimum payout, as you can see, is $1. So it's quite low, right? Now, the procedure here is basically the same as every other traffic exchange site, no matter how the graphics look, right? So as a free member though, you can only advertise 2 sites on my menu here. Go to my sites, and as a free member you can only advertise 2 sites, but then you can upgrade, and of course you'll have the possibility to advertise more sites. All right. And also banners, you can add 2 banners. You have to upgrade in order to add more, and it's quite simple, just a title, the targeted URL, and also the banner URL image URL. All right. The same goes for text links, but here you only have to write text, no image URL, no nothing, just a nice title, a little description, and the targeted URL. Again, you can create 2 texted links for as a free member. Okay, so PTC ads, my PTC ads, these are the PTC ads that you create to advertise on Easy2Hit for you. If we go to pay to click menu page, here you can earn some extra cash, but given the fact that this traffic exchange site is relatively new, it doesn't have too many ads to click, pay-per-click ads, but eventually, since it's growing on a daily basis, when I joined it, there weren't more than 100 users, but now it seems it has more than 1,500 users, I think. Alright, so eventually at the beginning this had only 2 ads. Now apparently it has 3 to 4 ads. Alright, so eventually you will find more ads here to click, and what you do is you click on a banner. This window will pop up, you wait 20 seconds, and after that you will be credited with $0.0005. Every 24 hours this page will be refreshed for your account. Now, in the credits page, here you can buy credits, or you can assign credits to your sites. Here you will see how many credits you have at this time, and then you can click here to assign the credits you want to, or you can use this menu here to assign credits here directly. Alright, now this convert credits, actually it has to be convert cash to credits, because here you can convert your account balance to credits, to advertising credits. So as of now I have $0.33, which I've earned from my referrals as well as surfing and PTC ads, which I haven't clicked a lot. And if I want to, I can convert this sum to this amount to credits and then use the credits for advertising. Extra, here are the contents. You can find general information about the contents, alright, and also money making tool to build your downline. Sign up on these sites, and whenever you refer someone to Easy2Hit and they sign up of these sites under these sites as well, they will also become automatically your referrals also on these sites. Alright, and you will earn, of course, more cash and advertising goods. Alright, and here is the account page where you can upgrade your account and also delete your account. There are 3 types of upgrade: bronze, $1 per month or $10 per year with these advertising goods; silver, $5 per month, or you can purchase the yearly package, which is $50; and also gold member, $10 per month or $100 per year, and you gain all these advertising goods. And as a gold member, you also get random referrals. Whenever a person signs up on Easy2Hit under no one, they have no sponsor, they will be assigned automatically to each gold member every time they join Easy2Hit from their Google page, their website. Alright, so it's quite simply. Now let's check the surfing page, then we will see some results, how it has worked for me until now, and I'm gonna leave this video with that. Now if you see here, you can click, it will take you to the surfing page, and as you notice, the surfing timer is 10 seconds. So every 10 seconds you will have to solve a CAPTCHA, and then you will jump to the next page. And the CAPTCHA apparently are these symbols, so you just click here and you will jump to the next surfing page. Here is also a chatting menu where you can chat and get to know other users, but of course is not allowed to promote links, and there are some rules here that you can read. Alright, now after you surf 94 or 95, in the 95th page, a link with text will appear here that says you have to click here. You have surfed 95 pages, you have to click here in order to claim your $0.01. It will appear here, or it might appear down here as well. Okay, just pay attention the moment you reach 94, 92 ads, and then pay attention. Here is the number of ads that you can count, because on Easy2Hit the surfing ratio is 1:1. So for each page you surf, you will earn 1 credit. It's not 1 to 0.5 or whatever, but it's 1:1. Alright, so here you can count as well how many credits you earned and how many pages you have surfed at the same time. Alright, and every 95 pages you just be careful to click on the link in the surf bar here or here. Alright, now let's see some results, and I'm gonna leave this video with that. As always, I use leadslib.com to track my traffic. So let's go and find the link that I'm promoting on Easy2Hit, which is my wealthy affiliate referral link. But let me check it. Yep, that's it, wealthy affiliate. Yep, so let's find the track link of wealthy affiliate. Sorry about that. And there you go, WA. So let's see some statistics. And there you go, Easy2Hit. Now, sorry about that. Now, like I said, I've been a member since it was developed like 3 months ago, and it has provided 1,400 real visitors, out of which 13 were responses. Alright, but considering, I think that it's worth it. This is my personal opinion. I suggest you try it first. Okay, it's free to try it, and you can give your own opinion, of course, but for me it's worth it because given the fact that it's relatively new, it has provided so much real traffic, unique visitors. Alright, so again, as I'm doing with other traffic exchange sites, I'm gonna use Easy2Hit for another couple of months, and then I'm gonna record a second video where I'm gonna be comparing also the initial results, today's results, with the results that I'll be getting until the next video. Okay, again, I'm gonna leave my referral link in the description of this video. You can join Easy2Hit. And oh yeah, one thing I forgot to mention, very important. There is no team surfing here, which means the user that surfs one page will be more focused on the ad than to surf the page as fast as possible, because there is a target to catch in order to remain a team member. I hope that makes sense. Alright? Anyway, so like I said, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. If you like the video, hit the like video, or leave any comment in the section down below, in the comment section down below. And I'll make sure to see you again in the next video. Until then, cheers.